In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error code 1 on Roblox unknown error. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, before I start with the fixes, we need to go ahead and understand what this actually means. So this appears when the game can't properly connect to Roblox servers or when essential game files fail to load on your device. This often happens because of corrupted cache files, unstable internet, or even an outdated Roblox app version or background apps blocking the Roblox connection. In some cases, temporary server issues, VPN interference, or permission problems on Windows or mobile devices can also trigger this unknown error. It's basically Roblox's way of saying something important failed to load or connect even, but the system couldn't identify the exact cause. Okay, so I'm going to go through a step-by-step guide on how to fix this now. So the first fix is to fully close any Roblox or browser app. So exit any Roblox game. And then from here, you want to go ahead and clean your browser. So this can be Chrome, Edge, etc. or the Roblox app. So from here, I'm using Google Chrome. Click on the three dots, click on the settings. Left hand side, we've got different tabs. Click onto privacy and security. Now find delete browsing data. And now make sure cached image and files and cookies and other site data, and go ahead and click on delete data. Also, what we need to do is right click on Windows and then go to Task Manager, find any Roblox games running, so we can go ahead and sort by name. So I'm just going to sort, scroll down, look for R. If there's any Roblox game running in the background, go ahead and say if this is Roblox, you want to right click it and click on End Task. So this is going to go ahead and clear stuck sessions that can trigger that unknown error. Also, what we can do is check your internet connection. So try loading a few normal websites like Google, for instance, or YouTube. If they're slow or not loading, we need to go ahead and restart your Wi-Fi router. So turn it off, wait 15 seconds and turn it back on. If possible, plug your PC in via the Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi. And avoid using VPNs or proxies for now. Disable them and try Roblox again. But if you are using Wi-Fi, another thing what we can do is switch over to your mobile data to see if it is the connection or vice versa. Now the next fix is to go ahead and click on your Windows key and R to get run starting, and then go ahead and type in %temp% and click OK. And now a folder should appear like so. Now simply look for a folder called Roblox. Here it is here. So you just go ahead and click delete on your keyboard and then delete that out of your trash can as well. So this only removes cache data and Roblox will recreate it, and then reboot your PC and try again. Now, if you're still having issues, you can go ahead and check your file and antivirus and then look for Roblox or Roblox Player Beta or similar, and then make sure change settings and allow another app and browse to add Roblox. Now, if everything still isn't working, we can go ahead and update your Windows and graphics card drivers. So to do this, click in the search, type in settings, click into system settings, and now on the bottom left hand corner of the page here, we've got Windows Update. Now, if you've got any updates here, go ahead and find updates or install updates, or in my case, I need to restart now because I've just recently installed these updates, and then I'm going to restart my computer and try. Now we might need to go ahead and update graphics card drivers as well. So to do this, click onto search, type in device manager. Here it is here. And now you should get a device manager pop up like so. And then we need to look for display adapters. Here it is here. So go ahead and expand it. Then click on your graphics card. So mine is a GeForce. Click on the properties. And then make sure if there's any updates, so go to driver. Click if there's any updates. It's going to be you can click onto it, or if we right click it here, it might say update or search for updates. So just go through that process. Now if all else fails, just simply go ahead and reinstall Roblox. So sometimes error 1 code is just a corrupt install. So yeah, just go ahead and find your Roblox player. So we can go type in search, add or remove. So yeah, type in add or remove programs. So now this is going to search for installed apps, search for Roblox, and you want to go ahead and uninstall all the Roblox inside of there. So I'm going to uninstall all three and then reinstall all three as well, and you can get them back from roblox.com.